Shanghai JSR Automation Company Limited is an expert provider of robotic system integration, headquartered in Songjiang, Shanghai, with our own production facility in Jiashan, Zhejiang Province. Specializing in industrial automation and committed to advancing intelligent manufacturing. We maintain high standards of quality and performance through advanced equipment, rigorous production processes, and strict assembly procedures. Our expert engineering team delivers customized robotic automation solutions across a wide range of industries, including automotive manufacturing, construction machinery, metal fabrication, shipbuilding, and aerospace. With extensive industry knowledge and technical expertise, we can swiftly address customer issues and provide efficient solutions tailored to specific production needs. Annually, JSR Automation sells over 1,000 robots and has completed more than 600 system integration projects. Our projects span various applications, with 60% focused on robotic welding, 30% on handling, and 10% on painting, palletizing, and other applications. We supply a broad range of products, including industrial robots, robotic welding machines, positioners, tracks, robotic workcells, spare parts, and welding consumables. Additionally, we provide comprehensive after-sales service to ensure optimal performance and customer satisfaction. JSR Automation is dedicated to helping businesses boost productivity, improve quality, and enhance operational efficiency through cutting-edge automation solutions. JSR's culture is built on collaboration, continuous improvement, and a commitment to excellence. Together, we drive progress, helping our customers stay competitive and ahead. Welcome to visit JSR.
Hello, I'm Sophia from JSR Automation. Welcome to JSR. Together, we drive progress, helping our customers stay competitive and ahead. Chinese is a hard-working nation, so do we. The highest flying record I had was I flew 13 flights in 14 days. Also, I'm a mother of 3 wonderful children. In my spare time, I run for 45 kilometers per month. This habit I maintained for over 5 years.
We connect